It is May, which is Mental Health Awareness Month, and we have our wonderful Lucky Wingster here doing chair massages, and we're talking about healthy food. Now, stress-reducing foods, there's so many of them. We can research them, but good food is good too, okay? And being here at Willowbrook Senior Center, I like to take the seniors or the older people into consideration when I eat, and all people really. But what I prepared today is a curry chicken salad. Now, we know we need some protein and everything, and that's great. So we have curry chicken salad with olives, with some marinated olives, which are always wonderful, because olive think, if we are eating olive oil, we're eating good. Eat the olive too, okay? So greens every day. So this is just another way of us getting our herbs. We may not be consuming, we may not be eating it, but we're drinking it. So we're getting all those nutrients that are in the base that you're gonna get. So it's just really important that we take these little bitty steps to take care of our mental health. I'm taking a test for a certified peer support specialist, okay? And that is where we take our lived experience and we're working with the public. So as a people, we all have some sort of trauma, and it really depends on how we deal with it. But I know as a servant that I need to help my people. So I'm gonna take my indiscretions and my insecurities and everything and make it work for my people. So, you know, that's how I cook my food also, because I'm very intentional and I want to be healing in this. So it all serves a good purpose. I'm really happy that I'm able to do this.